Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. You're an administrator and the Bitlocker recovery key is backed up somewhere safe. Once done, plug the device into power and make sure there's healthy free disk space so decryption can complete. Now open Settings or Control Panel and navigate to Bitlocker Drive Encryption. This begins the process immediately. You choose the system drive and select Turn off Bitlocker. This initiates decryption. You act now to avoid data loss risk. The system begins rewriting the volume without the key. Once decryption starts, you monitor progress because this is the critical middle step. Use the GUI progress bar, or, for precision, open an elevated command prompt and run Manage BDE Status C to check % complete. If the GUI didn't fully start decryption, run Manage BDE off C to force it. This is the same operation, but via admin command, useful on servers or remote sessions. Make sure the machine stays powered and avoid heavy disk so the process completes without errors. You finish by verifying decryption is complete. Check Manage BDE status for 0% encrypted and protection off. Once confirmed, remove any unnecessary recovery key copies from online accounts or USBs if you want to tidy credentials, and consider disabling automatic TPM unlock if it's no longer needed. If decryption hangs, run chkdsk on the drive and retry Manage BDE off. Alternatively, use the recovery key to unlock and resume. Make sure to reboot after completion so Windows recognizes the new, unencrypted state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.